All right, here we are at Stevens of Bennington in Bennington, Vermont. We're going to do a quick walk around on a 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn Night Edition. So this 1500, we actually put our own Mopar Lift Kit on it. So it's got a 2-inch Mopar Lift Kit, Wildpeak all-terrain tires, and some KMC XD custom wheels, aftermarket wheels. Start checking it out. So here's the wheels and tire combo that we put on here. All black with a little bit of red, matches the color, looks nice. AT tires a little bit more aggressive. Looks good. So this is a night edition. So what that gives you, the blacked out grille, accents around the headlights, badging. Just go around to the side. There's the Ram badging right there. This is also as you can see by the 4x4 off-road sticker, this comes with the off-road group. That gives you is electronic locking rear axle. Also gives you skid plates protecting the front suspension, fuel tank, steering gear and transfer case. Also gives you hill descent control, and on the front, pop back around the front, as you can see, also has tow hooks. So this also, we'll check out the back, has the Bighorn Level 2 equipment group, and one of those things is dampened tailgate, so it drops nice and slow, won't slam. Also has a bed mat, nice rubber bed mat. Dual exhaust, those are polished black as well with the night edition, which is nice. Let's see. Also, it's a crew cab, so it's a nice big back seat. We can check out the inside. Also has park assist. You can see the little dots right there. It's on the front and rear bumpers. So this will help you park. It's sensors. It tells you how close you are, making sure you're not going to hit anything. It will also stop you, which is nice. So the Level 2 equipment group also gives you power seat in the front, power folding mirrors. Also the rear window sliders is power as well, and remote start too. So as you can see in the interior, this has the black interior. So the dash, headliner, all around it's all black, which makes it look really good. Looks really nice with the red. Has deluxe cloth bucket seats. We'll pop in real quick. Let's see. There's a 8.4-inch touchscreen display. Front and rear power outlets, so you can see down there. And there's one in the back seat I'll show you later. A media hub where you can plug your Android or your Apple phone right in, your iPhone. And that will allow you to run Android Auto or Apple CarPlay right on the 8.4-inch screen, giving you a really good phone experience, hands-free driving, super safe, voice activated, it's awesome. You can also mirror your Google Maps or your Apple Maps, and it will give you navigation, even though this doesn't come with it, but you can use it through your phone and it works great. Let's see. We'll go back up. So there's your heated seat control, your nice clear backup camera with your guidelines. You got physical buttons as well for your heated seats and steering wheel. There's your hill descent control and your axle lock. 4-wheel drive selector, turn dial shifters. Also has auto 4-wheel drive. Nice to do in the winter. Just leave it on and go. Push button start. There's your clusters. Hard to see with the glare. And there you go. Nice 7-inch screen in the middle. Gives you a lot of good information about your vehicle. Auto headlights. You have a power control for the pedal. You can adjust it. Power windows. Power mirror as well. Power mirrors fold right in. And I don't know if you saw that. Well, there's the controls for the sliding rear window and your really nice panoramic sunroof. Covers almost the whole roof, which is awesome. Nice spacious crew cab, plenty of space for your passengers. Seats fold up for extra storage. Both of them they split, which is nice, so you can fold up one side or the other. Some in-ground storage right there for you. Put whatever you want in there. Some charging ports in the back for your passengers, and there's that extra outlet right there as well. But there you have it. 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn Night Edition. Mopar 2-inch lift kit, KMC wheels, Wildpeak all-terrain tires. Ready to go. Come by Stevens of Bennington in Bennington, Vermont. Come check it out. Thanks.